Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we are going to create 5 simple icons that you could turn into Android launcher icons for any future apps that you might create or be involved in creating. Let's set up a new document using the following settings. Uh, File menu, new, and from presets, art and illustration 800, this, and number of artboard 1 with 800 and high 600. Unit set to pixels, color mode RGB, and you can set more setting and preview mode default and raster effect screen set to 72 ppi. Okay, create document. At first, we are going to be creating the icons using a pixel perfect workflow. We will want to set up a nice little grid so that we can have full control over our shapes. So go to Edit, Preferences, Guides and Grid, and change this grid line every to 1 pixel and subdivision to 1. Okay. Once we have set up our custom grid, all we need to do in order to make sure our shapes looks great is enable a snap to grid option found under the view menu, snap to grid, like in the picture, which will transform into snap to pixel each time you enter pixel preview mode. Okay, now in this step, we want to set up the layers. We need to create 6 layers with these names. Okay, change the layer 1 to reference grids. Add new layer, battery, another layer, stings, messaging, alarm, and the last layer, photos. Okay, now need to create the reference grids or base grid that allow us to build our icons by focusing on size and consistency. We are going to be creating the icon with the intent of having them used within the actual Android OS. We will have to follow the recommended size and format guideline for Android OS. Now set up a custom grid of 96 and 96 pixel with an all-around 4 pixel padding. Okay, to create this reference guide, creating a select rectangle tool. At first, disable border and fill with this color. The code is this code of color. click on this click on the Illustrator stage and set size to 96 pixel. Okay, that's right. And now we need to create another rectangle with white color and the size set to 88. Okay. And enable align panel. Okay. Select to item and line to center. Okay, that's good. Now we can select two items and group them by hold Control and G. Okay. In align panel, you can show align option by enable show options. Align to selection, align to key object, and align to artboard. Okay. Now we need 4 copies of this item in the center of artboard. Okay, to do that, I select this group object, Control C, Control Shift V, Control Shift V. Okay, and we need to set this distance to 24 pixel. To do that, select two items. In align mode, align to key object, select this as a key object, and in distribute spacing, set to 24 pixel and horizontal space. Okay. Select two item, change position to the left. Okay. Select last item, Control C, Control Shift V. Select two item, key object, this, Control C, Shift V. Select, align to key object, select key object, and that. Control C, Control Shift V. Select, align to key object. Okay, that's right. Select all the rectangles, Control G, and align to artboard center. That's okay. Okay, as you can see, we create reference grid in reference grid layer, and you can show and hide or lock. Okay, that's right. And now lock the layer and start working on our first icon. Okay, we will create the battery icon. And start by creating the icon's background using an 88 pixel circle. Okay, select the battery layer and change the color, shift and select color. Change the color code to, for example, now C853. Okay, like green color, and select labs tool, click on artboard and change the number to 88 pixel. Okay, let's try it. Now unlock the reference grid, select circle and click and ungroup this, ungroup reference grid, select circle and uh, left rectangle square and align to key object, select key object, select again, uh, key object, select as a key object and center. Okay, we can zoom into battery icon background in this layer, unlock again reference grid. Now create the battery's main body using a 24 and 40 pixel rectangle, which will color white, and then the center align to the larger circle. Okay, change the color to white. Okay, select rectangle or M, click M in keyboard, click and change the width to 24 and I to 40. Okay, now center, select circle and rectangle. Okay, rectangle and circle, key object. Okay, okay, now the main body or this rectangle is the center in circle icon's background. And now select a rectangle and with arrow key move the rectangle to bottom. Okay, I think its position is true. And now turn the shape that we've just created into an outline by flipping its fill with its stroke. The short key is Shift X. Okay, and then setting its weight to 4 pixel. Set to 4 pixel and change other setting of stroke, corner to round join. Okay, the body of the battery. Now create the first state indicator bar using either a 24 pixel rectangle with a white color. Okay, change the color, unselect, change the color to white, select rectangle, click the artboard and change the number to 12 and 4 pixel. Okay, the first indicator. and align, first align with body, key object, select key object, unselect, select again, key object, oh excuse me, okay, read rectangle, okay, zoom in, select and select this and oh this and this, and align object, align, okay, align, that's right. Okay, and now move the indicator to select and move with arrow key to button. Okay, position is okay. And now add two more indicator bars which will we vertically stack. Select Ctrl C, Shift V, and move. And now for the specific distance, select two items, and in align panel, align to key object, select key object, and set 4 pixel, and click vertical, distribute space. Okay, that's right. Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V, Ctrl C, Shift V. Now select two items, key object, and this. Now finish off the icon by adding the top cap, which will create using a smaller rectangle, 8 and 4 pixel. Why white color? Okay, unselect, change color, create rectangle, click on artwork, and change 8, 4. Okay, now select two item, align this, okay, in line center of body icon, and we can move indicator. Okay, now select all item, back to home, okay, and Control G. Okay, the first icon created. Now zoom out, and you can see first icon created, battery. Okay, now we will create the settings icon. Select lock battery icon, select settings layer, and the first step, start by creating its background using an 88 pixel circle. Okay, and change color to, for example, 21, 96, F3, kind of blue color. And now select Light tool, and okay, that's right. Unlock reference sky, select, line to key object, select, and line center. Okay, lock reference guide. It's good. And now start working on the center slider by creating a 4 and 32 pixel rectangle. Okay, change color to white, select rectangle, click, and change to 432. Okay, zoom in, pen, select, and center in circle. Select, line to key object, select clear, and center. Okay, zoom in. Okay, now move slider to top. I think it's so it's okay. Now create the slider state indicator using a 12 in 4 pixel rectangle with white color. Select, creating in 12 in 4 pixel. Okay, center by this indicator, key object, this, and this. Okay, now change the position. Change the position by select to indicator, align to key object, select key object, and distribute spacing vertical, set to 4 pixel. Okay. And now add the lower section of the slider using 4 in 12 pixel rectangle by white color, which will position just under the state indicator bar. Okay. 4, 12. Okay. Select, key, this, and this. Okay. And we can move it to lower, snap this. Okay, it's very good. Now create the top section for the left slider using a smaller 4 in 12 pixel rectangle by white color, which we will align to the top edge of the center slider. Okay, now create 4, 12, move, we can select key and oak and the same line top. And now we can set this distance to 12 pixel. Select, align to key object, select to 12 pixel. Okay, that's right. And now add the slider state indicator by creating a tool for pixel rectangle with white color, which will be vertically stacked to the previously created shape at a distance of 4 pixels from its bottom edge. We can select Ctrl C Shift V, and this. Now center by this. Okay, that's right, and set pixel to 4 pixel. Okay, that's right. And finish off the left slider by adding the button section, which we will create using a 4 in 32 pixel rectangle with white color that we will position underneath the indicator. And we can Control C, Control Shift V this item, and select this, align to key object, this, and move this to like this. Okay. Now select this center item, Control G, left items, Control G, and finish off the icon by creating a copy of its left slider, which will be positioned onto the right side of the circle. Okay, Control C, Control F, Control F, copy, creating a copy in front. And now move the right side, select 2, and align to key object, this, and okay, set to 4 pixels is distance. Okay, now we created the second icon setting. We can zoom out and hide reference guide. Okay, second icon.